A look on diet fitness. Many people nowadays are very much conscious about their own health and fitness. In addition to that, these people and many others as well are now viewing that desire to sculpt their bodies to achieve that magazine cover look. As a result, gyms, health spas and other fitness centers have proliferated all over to cater to the needs of the fitness buffs and aficionados. Even on television, exercise machines, weight loss products and other paraphernalia to improve fitness have more or less gained control over the airwaves and made their way into the households. But exercise is not the only way to build that body beautiful. It also entails certain amount of responsibility on the foods one chooses to eat. Being healthy and fit requires one to observe diet fitness. Diet fitness is as essential as exercise itself. Diet for fitness provides the essential nutrition one needs to restore worn-out muscles and for healthy growth. Diet fitness should never be taken for granted. With the popularity of keeping fit, many different views, methods, programs, and dieting strategies have been formulated by many professionals. Among these are high-carb diets and high-fat diets. Which one is more effective and which one should one choose to follow? First thing to know will be the fundamental differences between these two diet approaches. As the name implies, high-carb diets concentrates on taking in carbohydrate-rich foods, while high-fat diets endorses fat-rich foods. High-carb diets are utilized to glycogen stored in the liver and muscles. Glycogen is a glucose complex that provides large amount of energy ready for use in anaerobic exercises. Fats, on the other hand, is well known for being the richest source of calories. It actually contains 2.5 times more calories than carbohydrates and proteins alike. Studies also show that it takes the body 24 calories to metabolize carbohydrates while it only takes 3 to burn down fat. So, which one to follow? A person can follow a high-carb and low-fat fitness diet or the other way around. It is absolutely not recommended to follow both at the same time. Unless, of course, if you want to gain body fat. But then diet fitness is not all about losing fat. One must also consider his diet in order to keep fat away. Research shows that sustainable loss of weight can only be achieved on a diet which suits the individual food preferences, lifestyle, medical profile, and satiety signals. Diet programs all over can help you shed off excess pounds. But only one diet can help you stay sexy, and it is the one that satisfies you most. Other important aspects of having a fit diet are moderation, balance, and variation. One must be careful not to leave out important nutrients and other substances necessary for healthy body functioning. Health organizations are clear about the amounts of nutrients an individual should have in the body. low fat, high carbs, low fat. The question is not which diet program will work out, but which is it that will work for you. Striving for a sexy and healthy body does not have to burden an individual. Diet fitness does not have to mean sticking to the same kind of food for life. One may even try to be adventurous and try out new foods out there. Who knows? One may even discover spinach interesting.